Here I have Xiaomi Pocophone F1. Let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's find and select the settings. From the list of settings you need to find and select the wallpaper. Here let's choose local photos, recent used or pre-installed. In my case it could be pre-installed ones. Choose one of the following photo. For example, in my case it could be the following one. Let's tap apply. Let's decide either you would like to use it for your lock screen, home screen, or maybe for your both screens. In my case it could be lock screen wallpaper applied, and as you can see right now, if I press the power key I should see the new wallpaper. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.